guys, I'm making this video here to go over a couple things on our '06 Dodge Durango. I had an issue with this vehicle. I picked it up. It had a fuel injector 1 and 5 open circuit. Replaced the fuel injector, also swapped. That didn't fix the problem. Also tested voltage and continuity to each fuel injector. All had the same readings and everything. Everything was in operating condition. So we moved over to the PCM as well as the PCM wiring harness. And measured continuity from the PCM with it plugged in. It did show continuity, however it was a weird number, so I then ran a jumper wire from injector 1 and 5 to the PCM. Still had the same codes, so then I took out the PCM wiring harness and measured continuity from C2 all the way to fuel injector 1, and I had continuity and it worked good. So that all led back to the PCM. I read online and also did a bunch of research on PCMs and refurbished PCMs and everything like that. So I did roll the dice and bought a used refurbished PCM, which I have right here. It fixed the fuel injector problem, but it also was showing no voltage to the EGR sensor as well as a fuel temp sensor. And I knew all that was operating properly with the previous PCM in, so I knew that this was a faulty PCM. So I then went to the junkyard and picked one up, plugged it in, and I reprogrammed and wrote the VIN, and using my handy dandy software tools here, and I programmed the VIN, skipped the skim reset, and completely fixed my problem. So if anyone else has this vehicle and is having the same problem, I hope this video helps you out, because I couldn't really find too much information on this vehicle with the Hemi V8 online. So I really hope this helped you out. If you do have any questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to help, and have a great day, and thanks for watching.